I just got these supplements. They are NAD 15,000 supplement. It's an ultra booster supplement. They do a lot of things for you. It helps boost your energy levels. It'll help promote overall vitality and support cellular health and rejuvenation. They also can help support increased energy, healthy mood, appetite control, and metabolism. They also can help with fighting mental fatigue and brain fog, and it can help you in demanding situations and enable stress-sustained mental focus. They're an easy to swallow little capsule, so they're not big, so they'd be easy to swallow for pretty much anybody.